Alright, I think the base wall is complete.
We'll be fine.
So they are fucking hella wailing on this wall. We gotta try to hit them.
Yeah, they're wailing hella hard.
Oh my god, Jesus Christ.
Not trying
Don't
to
even
fuck with
try
them.
it, bro. Don't even fucking think about it. One more shot, yeah. Oh,
Hey,
she killed me! It's not your kid!
He's done.
Good shit.
Working on chopping the arm here. Who wants the breast?
Yeah, putting an arm on. Got a leg too, putting that on. Who's hungry? Dinner time. Break time.
I got 2 arms there, guy. Oh, it's gonna be a good one.
Good barbecue today.
See, I'm not the only one that resorted to cannibalism the first day. We can build effigies if you're sending. Oh, what you doing?
Ah, I was gonna eat that shit. God damn it.
Yeah, what the
You
fuck?
broke the fire.
Oh, I gotta eat that too. Wee!
God damn it, Sepp, you broke the fire.
You broke the fire, asshole.
You're the one that hit it with your club, asshat.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Swing your shit at me. What's the matter with you? Dangerous weapon.
Back up. Tell her she's going on the fire next.
So you're going to be sacrificed to the fucking cannibal gods.
You ate my...
Next right down. Look behind the top.
If you sound like a retro.
Yeah.
Is that too funny?
You like some tricky bagels? Why everything going in slow motion?
Why I oughta.
This is more like a. Let's kill these. Oh, damn it.
Where's this
He
guy
can't
at?
touch.
Oh, there he is.
I wonder if he saw me.
I don't think he did.
He's coming. Let's get this bitch.
Oh, he's going to try to go to the Dark Knight. Or did he not see us?
I don't think he saw us.
In all honesty, we can hide behind these rocks.
I got me one of these.
He said, "Wow, that explains why I have no idea where you are." Oh my god! What is that called to use?
No, please, no. Go away. No, no way. Oh, there he is. I hear him. He's right next to us.
If I could get out of this and change into something else.
You could.
All right, I'm gonna switch.
Oh, there he is.
Why did I turn to the same shape?
There he is. There he is. He's here. Oh.
What? She faced 16. What the fuck was that, man? Did you see that?
How do we draw him out? There he is. Come get the loot, Cobra.
I knew it.
Oh my
Get
god.
fucked, kids! That's what you get for laughing at me! Now you die!
What? Oh, yo, this dude has godly aim. No, Zeppelin!
I have a minigun. Oh, there's a VTR underneath us. I'm trying to fix it, trying to fix it, trying to fix it, trying to fix it. Trying to fix it. I'm lining it up, I'm lining it up. Ready? Oh,
Bring her to me, bring her to me.
fixing it, fixing it, fixing it, fixing it. Fix it. Fix it faster. There's a rip here. Oh, we're fucked. Repair it. Holy shit, we're on fire.
Why'd you bail, man? We would have had that.
We're at like 16% and my torch went out. I was like, bye.
Oh, he's almost got him.
You almost got him, Red.
Fucking reload!
Dude, you're so lucky that guy's not shooting you right now. What the fuck?
How is he not shooting you, bro? Is he out of ammo?
Oh.
Oh!
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, you got the other one! You go play your shotgun. Oh god! You pistol,
Fucking reload!
Oh.
Please revive me, you fucking drone! What the fuck?
Shit, oh my god, I need to get out!
Oh, there's. Oh, they're coming out!
Get back here. Get back here, boy.
Gonna put on the OPest of OP. Where's the pokey poke?
Yes. Yes.
Are you ready?
Little bitch.
Okay, you ready?
Don't get no!
Not again! No!
Took
No!
Motherfucker almost grabbed it. He kicked the shit out of me, son. Oh my god. What a calm voice. He's got it. Let's just go up this ladder.
Oh, right there he is. Look, look.
Oh my god! Yo, he's stuck on the tree.
You son of a bitch!
He's like perched.
This tree.
Hey, where you going? Come here and not kick this tree over, you dumb bitch.
Hey, leg day, baby. Hey. Wait, is there anything down there?
No.
Oh no! Yeah, don't sprint down either because not necessary. But oh no!
Stop moving the fucking laugh and the fucking archer nailed my ass, dude. Alright, I'm gonna 1v1 him, or I'm gonna try. Let me heal
Alright,
first.
go ahead.
Alright,
Alright, I'm watching.
I'm watching from up here.
Me and Glove are gonna commentate. Oh, that's what he
No.
wants. Oh, he gets hit.
Oh!
Oh!
My face!
Oh!
Woo! Ah!
No, Zappa.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, Cobra. You're up.
Get him, Cobra.
Oh, that's a good trade. Oh, damn. Oh, damn, Cobra.
I got him.
Zap, you have been dethroned, son.
Nah.
He's it
I
up.
love this. I could just
I know
I
you
could just
can do
stand
that.
back and do this. Oh!